starting fishing should be fun, not complicated by gear that's too advanced or doesn't work. The right rod and reel combo makes learning easier, casts smoother, and helps you actually catch fish instead of fighting your equipment. In this video, I'll share the best fishing rod and reel combos for beginners. Easy to use, dependable, and perfect for your first trips on the water. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ghost Horn Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, a great entry-level option for beginners who value portability and simplicity. One of the biggest challenges for new anglers is transportation. Full-size rods are bulky, awkward to carry, and easy to damage. Ghost Horn solves this problem with a telescopic, collapsible rod that easily fits into backpacks, car trunks, or even carry-on luggage. This makes it perfect for casual fishing trips, travel, or spontaneous weekend outings. The rod itself is made from graphite material, which keeps it lightweight while still offering decent sensitivity. Beginners can feel light bites without the rod feeling flimsy. The reel comes pre-spooled, which is a huge bonus. No complicated setup, no confusion, just open the box and fish. Casting is smooth for beginners, and the combo performs well for freshwater fishing like bass, trout, or panfish. That said, it's not designed for heavy-duty fishing or large aggressive species. The reel is functional but basic, and durability is good for casual use, not abuse. Think of this as a starter combo for learning fundamentals, not a lifelong fishing tool. Overall, Ghost Horn is ideal if you want easy transport, fast setup, and beginner-level performance without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the KudraCast Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, designed for beginners who want an affordable, all-in-one fishing setup. Many beginners struggle with knowing what gear they actually need. KudraCast removes that confusion by offering a complete combo that's ready to go right out of the box. The telescopic rod design makes storage simple, while the colorful, modern finish gives it a fun and beginner-friendly look. The rod is lightweight and flexible, which helps reduce fatigue during longer fishing sessions. This flexibility also makes it more forgiving when beginners make casting mistakes, something every new angler does. The reel is smooth enough for consistent casting and retrieval, and it comes pre-spooled, which eliminates another beginner headache. This combo works best for light freshwater fishing, such as ponds, lakes, and slow-moving rivers. It's suitable for catching smaller species and learning proper casting techniques. However, it's not built for heavy fish or rough conditions. Advanced anglers may find it lacking in power, but that's not who this is for. This is a learning tool, not a tournament setup. If you're brand new to fishing and want something affordable, simple, and beginner-safe, KudraCast is a solid starting point. At number 3, we have the KastKing Brutus Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, a big step up in performance while still remaining beginner-friendly. One of the biggest fears beginners have is dealing with line tangles and backlash. KastKing addresses this with a smooth, easy-to-control reel that helps beginners cast with confidence. The Brutus combo is designed to feel balanced in the hand, reducing wrist fatigue and improving accuracy. The rod is strong yet lightweight, offering excellent control when fighting fish. It provides enough backbone to handle larger freshwater species while still being sensitive enough to detect bites. KastKing is known for quality, and it shows here. The reel is smooth, durable, and reliable. Qualities beginners don't always get at this price point. This combo also transitions well as your skills improve, meaning you won't outgrow it immediately. It's best suited for freshwater fishing and works well for bass, walleye, and similar species. While it's not the most portable option, it makes up for that with performance and durability. If you want a beginner combo that feels more serious and can grow with you, KastKing Brutus is a strong contender. Taking the number 2 spot in this best fishing rod and reel combo list is the Plusino Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, one of the most popular beginner fishing kits on the market. Plusino understands that beginners want value, versatility, and convenience, and this combo delivers all three. The carbon fiber telescopic rod is lightweight, durable, and sensitive enough to feel even subtle bites. It collapses easily, making it perfect for travel and storage. The reel is smooth, beginner-friendly, and pre-spooled. Casting is predictable and forgiving, which helps beginners gain confidence faster. Plusino combos are often praised for their balanced feel, making long fishing sessions more comfortable. This combo performs well in both freshwater and light saltwater, which is a huge advantage for beginners who want flexibility. Whether you're fishing lakes, rivers, or coastal areas, this setup adapts easily. The only downside is that while it's versatile, it's not specialized for heavy-duty fishing. Still, for learning, practicing, and casual angling, it's hard to beat. Plusino is ideal for beginners who want one combo that does almost everything well. Taking the top spot as the best fishing rod and reel combo for beginners is the Sugailang Fishing Rod Reel Combo, and for good reason. This combo perfectly balances ease of use, performance, and value, which is exactly what beginners need. The telescopic rod is made from high-density carbon fiber, offering strength without unnecessary weight. It's comfortable to hold, easy to cast, and forgiving when mistakes happen. The reel is smooth, reliable, and beginner-focused. It handles line well, reduces tangles, and makes casting simple even for first-timers. Everything about this combo feels intuitive. No complicated adjustments, no confusing parts. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. This combo works well for freshwater and saltwater fishing, making it perfect for beginners who want to explore different fishing environments without buying multiple setups. Portability is another major win. It collapses down easily, travels well, and stores without hassle. Whether you're fishing from shore, a dock, or a boat, Sugailang adapts effortlessly. If you're just getting into fishing and want the least amount of frustration with the most amount of fun, this is the combo to get. Here's a buying guide to help you choose the best fishing rod and reel combo for beginners and get started with confidence on the water. When selecting a combo, focus on ease of use, durability, and versatility to make learning easier and more enjoyable. A medium action rod, around 6 feet 6 inches to 7 feet long, paired with a spinning reel is ideal for most freshwater fishing and helps beginners cast smoothly. Choose lightweight yet strong materials like graphite or composite rods and reels with smooth drag systems to prevent line breaks. Combos that come pre-spooled with line save setup time and hassle. Comfort matters too. Look for ergonomic handles that reduce fatigue during long sessions. Finally, think about what species you'll target. Many beginner combos handle bass, trout, and panfish right out of the box. With the right combo, you'll spend more time fishing and less time fussing with gear.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!